Most advice you see online about making money was not built for you. Yes, I said it. It was built for people with no real experience, people chasing fast money with no foundation. But you are not that person. You are a professional. You are a working parent. You are a nurse. You are a teacher. You're a busy mom and dad. You're a manager. Someone who has already spent years building real transferable skills. And what you need isn't a side hustle. You need a module that fits your lifestyle, your skill, your schedules. And in the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So let's get into it. If we haven't met, my name is Jane, and I spent years working in healthcare before making a full transition into tech and digital entrepreneurship. And one of the biggest lessons from my transition, my journey, wasn't just about changing career, it was about leverage. Understanding how to take what I already know and turn it into income that works for me. So today, I'm breaking down 3 online income module that actually works for professionals like yourself. It's not just a random side hustle, but 3 structured models that gives you stability, flexibility, and control. So guys, let's jump into it. Before I go into the modules, I need to say something very important, because most people who try to make money online, they fail. And you ask why. Okay, thanks for asking. And it's not because they don't know what they're doing or they're not capable. It's because they choose the wrong modules and they try to copy trends that weren't built for them. And also they follow advice that didn't really fit around their lifestyle, their time, everything else. They start, things randomly without doing proper research, not thinking, is it going to work for my where I am at the moment in my life? And obviously you're going to get a random result, and that, and then they say, this doesn't work, it's a scam. But here is the truth. It didn't work for them because the model didn't fit that particular time in their life. They didn't match their person, they didn't match their lifestyle, it didn't match their schedule. So today we are going to fix that, because you also need to have an understanding once, the model that actually works for you, that fits your life, so that everything obviously changes. We want exactly to make sure that we map that model to your life. Yeah. So let's get started. The first module that I'll share with you is high income skills, coaching and consulting. This is the fastest module to start with, and that's if you're professional or obviously you're doing anything, you're into cooking, whatever it is that you do, and is the one most professional overlook because it's hiding in plain sight. You see, here's what it is. You take what you already know. You're a teacher. You already know that. You solve specific problems for someone else. Like I know a lot of people that started content creation, teaching chemistry or teaching GCSEs and recording. They will have a student teaching them, and they're documenting that on YouTube, and they'll post it online. You're a nurse, you've actually helped others transition into tech role, like myself. I'm documenting this. A teacher who's running one-to-one exam prep, like I've mentioned earlier. You're a manager. You're very good with coaching people through job application and interviews. Those are things that you already know. You don't need to go elsewhere to go and look for it. You're very good with cooking. You can take people along, documenting how you cook a simple meal and putting it on YouTube. You can show people, you can create so many things, and package it around it, and put it out there. You see what I'm saying? You already have that skill. Here's what I want you to notice. You're already doing this at work. with your colleagues, with your manager, with your friends, informally, and you're doing it for free. Let it sit in. Think about it. You already give real value. You're just not packaging it the right way. And that's all that's left for you to do. So that's the shift. Because when you package your knowledge into a service, people can book and pay for it. And that's a business, not a favor. It's a business. This is why it works. It's fast for you to start because you already have that information. You already have the skill. There's no product base. You don't have to have, a physical product. It's low overhead. You're just sitting down. You're putting yourself out there. You're creating videos like this to advertise it. Your credibility is already being built. You know that. Friends and family know, oh, Jenny is the first person they think about who to go to. Oh, she transitioned from nursing to tech. She's into CV, writing. She's into coaching people. She's into helping people, with interview prep. Oh, she's into content creation. Let me call her. People already know those things. They know, right? And how do you begin? Pick one specific problem you can solve. Define who your audience are. Define who you're going to solve it for and create a simple offer around it. Yes. Okay? I hope that's helpful. So let's move on to module 2. Module 2 is digital product. Digital product and scalable leverage. Now, this is where things start to shift because with consulting, which is module 1, you are still trading your time for money. You have one client or multiple, you have 1 hour or more and one payment. But with digital product, it breaks the pattern. You create something once and you sell unlimited times. And that could be an ebook, that could be a template, that could be a mini course. And to be sincere, I've done that myself and I've hosted that on my Beacon store, so you can check it out. I do have an ebook for how you can start your digital income, and I do have some templates there, for people who want to, optimize their CVs and also courses there, which that's going to be coming up anyway. I've not started that, but obviously I do have courses where I teach people drop shipping, AI courses, people who want to start either content creation with AI, which I do have. I've created all this and it's based on my real experience, my career transition. I've shared how to build your income with the skills that you have. So just check that out. Reason why this module works so well for anyone is because you already have the knowledge. You're not starting from scratch. You are an authority. You are just documenting what you already know, and in a format people can buy, they can use and realize, the value immediately. For instance, if you're someone who bakes and you want to teach people rather than consulting one-to-one, you can document it on an ebook or a mini course and teaching people. When people buy it, they can actually learn how to produce the same cake or whatever, pastries or whatever it is that they want to, value they want to derive from the course. So the shift here is that you stop being paid by the hour and you start being paid by the value that you provide. And why it works is it's just one product. You have multiple buyers. There's no cap in the time. You're not saying, oh, come at 2:00. No, because it's there. People can purchase it and use it at any time. And you ask, so how can I start? So think about one question people always come to you for. So turn the answer, into a resource today and get started. If you're finding this useful, go ahead and subscribe. I'll give you a few seconds because according to YouTube right now, most of you are watching this and you're not subscribing. Why are you not subscribing? So subscribe so that we can help this channel grow. And not only that, whenever it is that I release another video, you're going to be notified. So let's keep going. The third module is content and system. This is the module that builds over time. And this is where real freedom starts to compound. We talked about this earlier. Here's how it works. You build content, audience around a specific topic, just like I'm talking about now: income, diversification, income, different streams of income, digital income, career transformation. You can build your audience around any topic, and then you connect that audience to that income system, the digital product, the affiliate income, faceless AI channels, courses. Over time, this becomes an ecosystem like I'm building at the moment, right? And your income will, this content now will bring people in, and your system will gradually begin to generate income because people would come to you for different things, right? And instead of you now chasing money, money finds you through the system that you've already built. And to be honest, this is really helping me, because some of you watch my video who wants to start their dropshipping course or the business. They'll contact me. Also, a lot of people contacted me about career transformation. I've had so many sessions with people. And remember, you have a wider reach. People in different places. I've had clients from New Zealand, clients from in America, from Nigeria, different places. People have made contact with me to support them to understand which digital income stream can I get into. These are my skills. Jane, can you support me? How do I do it? Can you hold my hand? I want to start my faceless channel. What tools do I need? So they have these sessions with me. We have a conversation, we niche out, and they'll make a start, and we can then obviously follow that up. Yeah. So one that takes, it takes time for you to build, but it's so worth it. So I won't pretend that it's not working. And it's also the one that compounds the hardest. It takes a long time to build, but to be honest with you, because the content you build today, it's like, for instance, on YouTube, you continue to do what? Generate income as people are watching it. So think about it. That's why it works. One piece of content will reach thousands of people. Think about it. And your income isn't limited to hours. So you don't have to book somebody. For instance, if somebody now bought your ebook, they can do whatever they want to do with it. But then if you have to book, consult, it has to obviously depend on your time. So with the ebook, people buy it, use it as they want straight away. They don't have to, you don't have to hold your hand unless they really need it. Yeah. So you say, Jane, so how do I start? Just pick one platform. It could be YouTube, it could be Instagram, it could be Facebook, it could be TikTok. Pick one topic and start with what you know and let it grow. You ask now, how do I choose a model that is right for me? So how do you choose this? It's the simplest framework I know. If you want income quickly, start with module 1, coaching and consulting. You can literally start this week. Yes. If you want something scalable, then move into module 2. Create one product, one ebook, sell it many times. If you want long-term freedom, that's exactly where you need to start. Build module 3, content and system that works without you. And here's what most people get wrong. They think they have to choose one forever. You can build on it. Just like I've said to you, I'm doing a lot of things, not just in one. I'm doing, I'm working on drop shipping, and I do this. I do a lot of things. So you don't have to just do one thing. You can build on it depending on your time and your lifestyle. Like I said, you can layer them. Start simple, get your first win. Then you can expand your module 1, and your module 1 can fund the time to build your module 2. Your module 2 can give you proof to fuel your module 3. Your module 3 now can become the engine that runs everything. I hope that's clear. Now, if you've watched so far and you're thinking, Jane, I don't know where to start and I don't understand, I would want, support around this. So I'll just say not to worry. That's exactly what I teach. Inside my Beacon store, you will find ebooks, you'll find step-by-step guides, and you'll find a training as well on selling digital products, building your own income on the eBay, that's drop shipping, using AI to create and monetize your content, and structuring your income outside your 9 to 5. So all those information are there on my Beacon store. I'm going to link it up and I'm going to put it on the description section as well. And so you can start now to build, start your real implementation rather than just watching. So it's very, very much a practical, value that I'm providing. And I've also built a Telegram community where we can break things down for those who want to join the group. Do click on the link and it's going to take you to that Telegram group where I share some information on career transition, income strategies, like I share here, life workshops sometimes. So if you're serious about building, that's where you need to join, and let's get started. So guys, I'm going to be stopping here, and if you have found this quite helpful, please like, share and subscribe because we have so much more coming, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.